All right, so in this video, we're going to learn how to use Printful. So now the question is, what is Printful? Well, Printful is a print-on-demand supplier that has a bunch of things for you to possibly sell, like t-shirts, stickers, and a bunch more. What use Printful has for you is that they do everything for you. It's completely passive. Once you put in the work to make the graphic designs and upload them, you can just lay on a beach. The money you accumulate is yours. You can make a bunch of money. We're talking about like possibly $50,000 to $100,000 per year if you do this correctly, and depends on how many uploads you put on the site. The more you upload, the more money you make, and the better the passive income is for you. You can use sites like eBay, Etsy, Amazon, and also link your Printful store to Shopify as well. The more links that you have to your stores from Printful, the more money you earn, of course. And so this is print on demand. Print on demand basically means you upload something to Printful, and then the suppliers of the shirts, the sweatshirts, the stickers, they make the product for you, and you don't have to do a thing. They send it out, they do all the legwork, and if there's ever a problem, if there's some issue where the customer's not happy or something, just reach out to Printful and they'd send another one to the customer for you. I've never, ever once had a problem when I was using Printful. It really is a great site that can handle all of this stuff for you when you're a print-on-demand drop shipper. And so use the link in the description below if you are interested in using Printful, because I would actually highly recommend them as a print-on-demand drop shipper. Something else also to keep in mind too is that you only pay Printful when the items sell. This is really great. Like once the item sells to the customer, that's when you pay them. And you don't have to have any sort of costs up front to use this particular platform. Everything is taken care of for you. And so we're going to get to how to use Printful in just a bit to accumulate $50,000 to $100,000 per year, or possibly even more. Again, it really depends on how much you upload to Printful. And the more you upload, obviously the more money you make. So remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more also about print on demand items and how you could be making a ton of money with print on demand. We're going to be talking about a lot of other things when it comes to print on demand items, as well as t-shirts, how to make stickers, and all of that coming up. What I would do is I would use Canva to make the graphic designs. Canva makes graphic design work so much easier than to use, let's just say, a site like Photoshop, where it took me a while to understand how to use Photoshop. Once I understood it, I got it, of course, and it's really second nature to me now. But if I was a new graphic designer trying to start a print-on-demand shop, I would definitely look to Canva as a really simple tool to put my graphic designs on that particular site. And then once you are done with it, once you're done using that particular site in terms of you making a particular product on Canva, all you need to do is just save the JPEG or save the PNG, and you're good to go, and you can just sell the item on Printful. And so we're going to get to how to use Printful right now. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to printful.com, and you can sign up right here on Facebook, sign up with Google, or sign up with Apple, or you can also sign up with your email. So you're going to click that one right there. That's the one I would personally recommend. You're going to put your full name, email, and then make a password. And what you're going to say is, I agree to Printful's terms of service and privacy policy. And once you have made your account, you're going to see the dashboard right here on the side. So what it says is My Printful, orders, product templates, file library, stores, branding, billing, statistics, warehouse, affiliate. Here are the most important things to know. Orders right there. What are the orders that are coming in? You're going to take a look right here. Now, of course, on this dummy account that I just made just now, there's no orders here, but on my main account, there are literally thousands of orders that appear right here with all of the information that you need. Product templates right here. So basically you can edit templates for your designs. File library. There's not going to be anything here because I just made this Printful account just for this video here. And it has all my file libraries right here. So basically all you have to do is just put in a new file. You just click that. You can also drag and drop your files right to this place right here. And you can also use sample files. So you can also connect to stores. So this is extremely important. You see, you choose your store's platform. So you see it says Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and a whole bunch more. And then it also includes eBay, TikTok, Amazon. There are so many platforms that you can choose from. And so you can connect your Etsy shop, which just takes a few minutes. And also they give you the full tutorial of how to connect your Etsy shop right here if you need to know all that information. But basically you can just click connect to Etsy, and all you need to do is just allow access to your Etsy shop. And that's all you need to do to connect your account with Printful. And so once you connect your account, then basically, as it says right here, assign products and upload print files, and that's it. You just upload print files, and then you make the particular items for your website, for your Etsy shop or your Shopify store, and so on and so forth, and you are ready to go. It's just that simple. And so, as I said, you can also choose others as well, like Squarespace, BigCommerce, Amazon, and so many more. Big Cartel right there, eBay as well. And you can also do ShipStation, Store Envy. There's just so many to choose from too. And you can also choose to put all of your items in every single one of these too. Now, branding. You can also pick how you're going to have custom packaging inserts. So basically you can have the most beautiful packaging that Printful can design for you, which is really great in terms of branding. And you can also have inside and outside label printing that Printful will actually design for you. You can have custom notes right there, like little thank you cards, side and back embroidery for hats as well that can have your brand name on it. And so this is extremely important if you want to really expand your brand and have more people know exactly who they're getting the item from. And so now let's click My Printful right there, and let's take a look at all of the items. So as you can see, we have t-shirts, hats, mugs, and a bunch of other things to choose from. So let's just take a look at this Bella Canvas shirt that you could be selling yourself. You see how many colors that this item has. It has a ton of colors for you to choose from. For instance, it has a bunch of reviews that you can also take a look at as well, where a lot of people are raving about this particular product. And there are other products as well that you can also choose from when we're dealing with Printful as well, such as this glossy mug. Now, there are a ton of other items as well, such as stickers too that you could choose from. So you could see right here, we have a bunch of items like the enamel mug, the white ceramic, the wine tumbler. Look how many items you could sell right here. Water bottles, coffee mugs, tumblers, coasters, postcards, notebooks, fabrics, towels, pet products as well. Take a look at this. You can have engraved pet ID tags or bandanas as well. You can also be selling eco-friendly products. In terms of men's clothing, you could have t-shirts, all over shirts, polos, tank tops, 3/4 sleeves, long sleeves, embroidered shirts, and a bunch more. Jackets and vests too that you can design as well right here. So many items to choose from. Denim jackets, Champion packable jackets, windbreakers. Take a look at that one. That's really a bestseller right there. Also, bomber jackets are really fantastic depending on the season. We also have Letterman jackets, which are even better. We have bomber jackets as well right there. Just so many to choose from right here. We also have bottoms, underwear, leggings, shorts, pants, sweatpants, and joggers. Now, for women's clothing, what we have is sport bras, swimwear, and we also have t-shirts as well for ladies also. And we have leggings, skirts, shorts, pants, and more. Kids and youth clothing. I mean, look how many items that you could choose from. It's really great. It's really a great tool. Printful is to sell products from and choose from as well. So take a look at this also. They have canvas prints, posters, frame posters, flags, metal prints, and so much more. I want to take a look at these canvas prints for all you artists out there as well. Take a look at this. We have a thin canvas with all these styles to choose from, 24 by 36, 12 by 12s. And we look at this one also. Wow. I mean, this is really great. These are relatively new. I don't remember even seeing these. Yeah, they are new right there, it says on Printful. So that's just really great that they have this to choose from, all these particular items. We have flags. Also for like sporting events, tailgating, puzzles. Take a look at this too. We have make your own jigsaw puzzle at $15.95. You can have a markup about $30 you could sell those for. You could be making around $15 per puzzle that you sell. Really a great markup on some of these items. We have beanbag covers, pillow cases, and pillows. coffee mugs, other ones that you can have a really great markup also. Let's take a look at this. So you have a regular glossy mug, $8.95. You could sell those for $19.99 or even more. Also $24.99 for a lot of brands out there also. And take a look at this also. The white glossy mug is only at $7.95. And you could be selling these for $7.90, or I should say $20 or even more than that. And we have holiday decor, wooden ornaments. You could be customizing these wooden ornaments, and you could be making like, way more. I could tell you that much from $7.95. Really just so many items to choose from, and it's really just awesome that Printful has all these choices for you as well. We have also aprons, and the list goes on and on. You can connect all of these items. So let's just say you want to sell an apron. Click on the apron right there, and you see we only have two colors for you to choose from. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click start a new order, and then you press basic order, create order right there. And then right here, you drag and drop your design. You can also add text, add a file, add clip art. So you want to just have a little clip art just for the sake of this video. Obviously, it may not show up because it is a black shirt, but you get the idea. If we just press white right there. All right, so we're all set to go. Press continue, and it's ready to go and ready to be sold. And so really just a fantastic tool that you can use when we're talking about Printful. It's extremely easy to just go on Printful and design these things for yourself, whether that's on t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and a bunch more. There's a bunch of things that you could sell yourself while using Printful. And so that is how to use Printful. If you like this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.